Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a try new skincare with me, and I am basically going to be trying skincare products that I received in the mail and skincare products that I received when I went for events. Let's get right into it, guys. So I'm going to be trying two skincare brands, majorly two skincare brands, but I'm going to be trying other products to complete my routine. And the first brand that I'm going to be trying is a brand called ERNO LASZLO New York, and I received this PR package yesterday. So it came in this FedEx box and there are quite a lot of goodies inside. So first of all, ERNO LASZLO is a luxury skincare brand based in New York, and guys, when I mean luxury, I mean $100 a product, like $200 a product, as in luxury. That's what I mean, like luxury skincare brand. And they sent me 5 of their products, and I'm going to be showing you guys everything that they sent me. So the first product I'll show you guys is their Exfoliate and Detox Pore Refining Detox Double Cleanse, and this is what it looks like. So this is a cleanser. I'm going to be using it today as well. And they sent me this very big I don't know if you guys can see it, this big box that contains 2 products inside. So basically it's a Lighten and Brighten white marble dual phase vitamin C peel. So you have the peel itself inside and you have the activator. They also sent me an eye product, and this is their Lighten and Brighten Antioxidant Complex for eyes. They sent me a scrunchie, which I'm going to put on my head right now, a rose gold scrunchie, which I really love. And they sent me a sample product of their cleansing oil. First of all, let me put the scrunchie on my head. Ooh, I hope it will fit my bone. Okay, so this is not working. Let's just not do that. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably already know that I attended the Image Skincare launch on the 5th, and I got this very beautiful PR package. Actually, there were 2 PR packages, but I didn't get the second one because I didn't register to attend the event. I didn't RSVP to attend the event. So this was all I got, and I got sheet masks. Oops. Okay, things are falling. I got sample products. I got a foundation brush, which I really like. In fact, everything is on Instagram, so if you want to see it, I have a post that shows pictures of everything. So today I'm going to be trying their Hydrating Hydrogel Sheet mask. That's all I'm going to be trying. Like I said, this is their cleanser. This is their cleanser. This is a cleanser that contains, let me check. Okay, it contains really nice ingredients though. Let me just open it up for you guys to see. First of all, so it comes with a leaflet, and this is what the product looks like inside. Very nice. And this little dots inside, if you can see, these little dots are charcoal powder. This is a cleanser. So this is what I'm going to be trying first on my face, and I'm going to wet my face and come back. So I'm just going to take a pump. Let me just, it's actually a gel cleanser. I'm going to rub, has fragrance. I'm not a fan of the fragrance at all. I'm not a fan of fragrance in skincare. I'd rather they don't have, I'd rather my skincare products actually don't have fragrance. I'm going to take a bit more because it feels a bit, or it doesn't feel enough for my skin. I'm just going to get my head. Cleanser is not bad, but I feel like I've used better cleansers. Feels very smooth on the skin. So I'm going to be trying out next their vitamin C peel, and this box alone is like $100, guys. Yeah. I know what you're thinking. I know what's going on in your mind. This is what it looks like inside. So first off, you have the peel itself inside. This is what the peel looks like. And then the activator. Yeah, it comes with a spatula. Now let's read the instructions on how to use. Oh, by the way, they say they are formulated without parabens and sulfates. I don't want to bite my tongue. I don't know how this is pronounced, so I'm just going to skip it, you know, because I'm not about to bite my tongue. Thank you. Okay, so it says peel and review, powered by super nutrient vitamin C. A clarifying 2-step peel gently polishes skin as it fades dark spots and discoloration. Just what I need. Step 1, gently exfoliates. Step 2, activates brightening and moisturizing actives. Okay, so it includes lactic acid, carrot seed oil to heal and balance dry or chapped skin, and vitamin C to reduce dark spots, dullness, lighten skin, and jumpstart collagen production. To use: smooth peel, that's step 1, over your face, avoiding eye area, and massage gently for up to 3 minutes. Mix the activator, that's step 2, in your hand and gently massage onto face over the peel. After 1 minute, rinse well with warm water. Use weekly as part of your white marble cleansing ritual. So according to what it says, this step 1, I'm supposed to like open it up. It smells like oranges. This is what it looks like. It's looking bright yellow on camera, but it's actually deep yellow. So I'm just going to open the spoon. I'm scared, guys. I'm scared because I don't want anything to burn my face. So I'm just going to get a bit out of the package, like this. Maybe I should use, okay, I'm going to just use this. I'm going to use just this. Put it on my hands. Guys, this thing legit smells like oranges. Okay, it feels warm on my face as well. Why does it feel warm? I'm going to massage this onto my skin for up to 3 minutes. Ooh. Was I supposed to massage it on damp skin? Oh my god, it feels very hot. It feels really, really warm. Okay, so it has grains in it. Okay, so with this kind of scrub, you need to be super gentle. Very, very, very gentle. Okay, I'm going to add a bit of water because my face is feeling weird. And I'm not going to do this for up to 3 minutes. Okay, what I noticed is that my face is feeling really soft. As I'm massaging it into my skin, my face feels super soft. And that feels nice. So it has these tiny grains that can be too harsh for your skin if you have acne, so just skip on stuff like this. Just use your lactic acid, your glycolic, your mandelic acid. Okay, it's entering my mouth because I put on my lips. This is not right. So I'm just going to add the activator now. Yeah, it doesn't feel harsh, but it doesn't feel like super gentle. It feels okay though. It doesn't feel bad. I feel like I had a better experience using this as opposed to using the cleanser. I'm just going to take So I'm just going to do this for a minute and I'm going to rinse my face. Next up, I'm going to try the Image Skincare Hydrogel Sheet Mask, and this is the Hydrating Sheet Mask. I'm just going to try that on my face now that my face is all clean and smooth. You know, feels very smooth. Now this hydrating sheet mask is very hydrating, guys. I'm not particularly a fan of the smell. I do not think it has fragrance. No, I don't think it has fragrance. Oh, it has some juicy ingredients in here. It has aloe vera, allantoin, butyl glycol. It has niacinamide. Ooh, that's so cool. Witch hazel, hyaluronic acid. It has centella asiatica. I call it asiatica, but it's asiatica, which is a very beautiful ingredient. So I'm going to leave this on for 5 minutes, like they said, and then come back to talk to you guys, or to continue this. According to ERNO LASZLO, this is an eye brightener and it makes a dramatic difference for eyes. The refreshing eye gel eliminates the appearance of dark circles while helping detoxify, depuff, and improve elasticity. So we are going to try that now. Comes with a pamphlet. Let me read what the instructions are. After toning, pat gently over the eye area, moving from the outer to the inner corner. Use as part of your white marble cleansing ritual or in concert with your other favorite formulas. What is in concert? Anyway, comes with a spatula just like the peel. So I'm just going to take that out. Now this is what the eye gel looks like. It has this very beautiful pattern inside. Focus so because I can't see what I'm doing. Anyway, oops, just gonna open that up. Has a cap. Gonna take that out. I have a bit on the cap safe. I'm just going to. Has fragrance as well. This reminds me of one of the K-beauty products I've used before. It reminds me of one of the K-beauty products I've used before. It smells really familiar. I'm just going to take a bit on the spatula and just pat around my eyes. Oh, feels very cooling. Oh, I love the texture. Feels very, very cooling. Now feels thicker than the ordinary caffeine solution, but still glides on nicely. Like immediately I pat it on my face, it felt very cooling, but then it's warming up on my eyes again as well. I don't know if... Okay, I'm just going to put the rest. I took a bit too much around my cheek area. Feels very nice. Oh, it's warming up around my eyes as well. Let me just take this up. Alright guys, just to give you my final thoughts on all the products I used. From the cleanser, it didn't feel like the most gentle cleanser. I feel like I've used gentler cleansers, but I will definitely try it for a couple of weeks more and see if I like it, because I can't really make up my mind about it right now. It didn't feel quite gentle, but it didn't feel really bad. It did make my skin feel really clean, but it didn't make my skin feel stripped of all its moisture, so that's a good thing. Definitely for the exfoliants, I don't think I would be using it anymore, especially because of the grains in it, the tiny beads in it. It did feel harsh on my skin, especially when I hadn't put water on my skin. So if you even have something like that, you might want to put like water on your skin before you do it. It actually scratched my skin a bit under my eyes. I took it close to my eyes, so it scratched my skin under my eyes, and I had to use Crave Beauty's GBR, Great Barrier Relief, to like relieve that area and heal that area. So it can be a bit harsh, especially if you have sensitive, acne prone skin. Like, you typically just want to stay away from scrubs. That's my advice. For the eye cream, I really did like the eye cream, and I see it as something I will use going forward. I like it because it's gel texture, so I know that I will not have like those. I know it won't be creating milia for me under my eyes. It felt quite cooling on the skin. I haven't seen it done anything for dark circles. I mean, it's just one day, you know, but I would definitely use it and see what it does for my dark circles. For the Hydrating Sheet mask, felt very hydrating, sank in, and gave me like a beautiful glow. I love the glow it gave me afterwards, and yeah, it's definitely something that if I have more of it, I would definitely use to self-relax, like to relax after a hard day, or I just want to do a bit of self-care. That's something I would definitely put on my skin, you know, for self-care and all that. So yeah, those are my final thoughts on all the products I've used. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. When you do, also turn on the notifications so you are notified every time I upload a new video. Also, please comment below and tell me if you did enjoy this video and if you'd like me to create or to make more videos like this. Also, give me video suggestions, entertaining video suggestions. Help your sister. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.